Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to register Duo Security account on PC. Duo Security is two-factor authentication solution that helps organizations boost their security. To register Duo Security account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.duo.com. Now, you will be taken to the official website of Duo Security. On the left side here, you can see the option of free sign up. Click on free sign up. Now, here you will be taken to the sign up page. Now, here you can see why do you need Duo Security on the left. Duo Security is a paid program. So, after you create your account, after 30 days of free trial, you need to pay certain amount to Duo Security. After that, now here you need to fill all the information. First, enter your first name on the given box. Then, enter your last name on the given box. With that, enter your email address. Make sure that you enter your business email address. Then enter your job type. After that, enter your company/account name. With that, select the number of employees on the company. Then enter your phone number. You can first select your country, then enter your phone number. After that, if you are an MSP or reseller or partner, then you can click on the given box. Then once view through the terms, as by signing up, you agree to the terms. Then click on I agree box. Then click on the box stating that I am not a robot. With that, click on the option of Start My Trial. Now, to complete the registration, you need to check your email as a mail will be delivered to your emails. Open your Gmail and look for the email sent by Duo. Then click on the given email. Now click on Verify your email. With that, you'll be again guided to the website of Duo. Now click on the option of Get Started. Now here you need to create your password. Make sure you enter at least 12 characters long password and it is strong. Then re-enter your password on Confirm Password box. After doing so, click on the option of Continue. Now here you need to add a factor verification that can be your passkey through your Duo mobile application or phone number. Now click on the option of Continue. If you want to add passkey, then you can click on Add Passkeys. If you want to skip for now, then click on Skip for now. I am going to add passkeys, so click on Add Passkeys. Now here you need to click on the option of Continue. Similarly, here you can also add two-factor authentication with your mobile phone. You need to download Duo application on your mobile phone and scan the given QR code. If you don't have a smartphone, then you can click on the option of Skip for now. With that, here you can also see you can set up a backup with your mobile phone number. You need to enter your mobile phone number, then you'll get a verification. Then you need to continue the process of verification of your mobile phone number. You can click on skip setting a phone number as a backup if you don't want to do this process. After that, your account will be created. Now click on continue to do admin panel login. With that, you'll be able to create your Duo Security account. This is how we can register Duo Security account on PC. As you can see here, my account has been created. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked this tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.